Hello everybody, Bruce here with a short video on what to expect from Lab 9. Now, Lab 9 is going to riff on Lab 8 a lot, maybe, well, not so much. Let me go over what we'll be doing. So this is the student list PHP file that I gave you to start with, and I wanted you to add, right, the ability to sort by these various ways here, right? So I want to show you some things that I've added, and then I'll go over them in the next video that you'll get on Thursday. So I added a link here so you can just click on it and it relaunches the page. I made these things sticky, so if I sort by last name and descending and I choose, say, 7 results, I get 7 results and everything is sticky. Notice how everything is sticky here? Okay. Now, what I've done next is I've added right down here to the right where it says action. So I added another column here. And then as I hover over this word here, look down to the lower left and you can see the URL that says $action equals delete and ID equals, right, 2499. And if I hover over this one, it says the same thing with ID 6094, etc., right? So watch this. Check this out. If I click on delete here, ready? This is record 2499. I hit delete, and it's gone. Okay? It says record has been deleted. And notice the URL up here. Okay? It says action equals delete, and ID equals, I can't see it, 2499. Okay? So how about that? Okay? So let me do another one. Ready? Here's 2037. I'm going to click on delete, and it's gone. I could just keep deleting away here. I should really put a confirm in here. Maybe I will by the time you get this, using a little bit of JavaScript here. Okay, so you see how all that works? And now you can see here 73, right? 73 records in the table, and if I click on delete, it's 72 now. So I'm using the URL parameters, and this is a get operation here, right? Because I'm putting them in the URL, right? And I'm looking to see what the action is, and right now it's being delete, and I'm passing in the ID of the record, and then I can use logic to deal with that, right? So a lot of you are probably saying, what happens if you type a bogus record in, right? Blah, 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 and hit enter. It says record could not be deleted. You see this with a sad face there? And I haven't tried this yet. Let me just try, instead of action delete, let me make it FUD, just like that. And you can see here nothing actually happens at all, right? So let me do it again. Nothing happens at all because that's bullshit, okay? I mean, that's BS. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is what you can expect from lab number 9. Again, it's going to be a follow along where I'm going to bring up my code, right? I'm going to bring up my code like here, and I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff, and you're going to be in charge of making it happen on your end, okay? So if you have any questions, catch me on Slack. And the code word for this video is, there is no code word. You should be watching these videos anyway. I shouldn't have to put code words in them, okay? For those of you who did respond with the code word in Slack, I appreciate it. Less than half the class has responded so far with any of the week 6 code words. So I'm not going to say I'm disappointed, but yeah.